afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here, and we are rolling. We're also missing the chat. Let's see what's going on here. We've got Gorilla first in the chat. Gorilla, Honorarium, Bender, Moji, Gorilla, Kai, Chris. We've got Frank, Moji, Johnny Quest, Chris, Tim. What's going on, Tim? Chris, Honorarium, Giovanni, Honorarium, J-Bones, baby. Honorarium, J-Bones, Tim. All of you guys. Oh, wait, we got more down there. Nope, that's it. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Grow wealth together. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. That's not the market, that's Honorarium on an absolute rip over the last 72 hours. Very nice. That's not the one I want to click. That's the one I want to click. Let's get into the market here. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing 1.43% lower today to close at $4.82. Shiba Inu coin bouncing back just a little bit. What is this, an hour? Yeah, about over the last hour, Shiba Inu coin bouncing from 970 to 978 points per coin, roughly a 1% increase for everybody who says that that is nothing. GameStop sitting at $14.10, down 2.83% on the day. Bitcoin, I'm telling you, man, 51,700 is ridiculous support on Bitcoin. If you look at this hourly chart, dude, it has tapped it again. Bitcoin is using 51,700 as a major floor. If it breaks down, I would expect a further decline, okay? But as of the moment, dude, it looks like it's very, very strong. And the NASDAQ, man, curling back over this afternoon, coming right back down to the morning lows, finishing the day at 15,759 points for a 0.82% decline. NASDAQ having a pretty rough day, and specifically a rough afternoon there. Dogecoin sitting at 8.5 cents. You get Ethereum, $2,777. Now, I do have to ask... And I want to know if anybody in here, and I might ask it, sorry man, clear my throat. I might ask it again a little bit later. Oh, crap, dude. I think her screen name is Crypto Wendy, or Wendy O, with the O show or something. She does crypto videos, got dark hair, tattooed. Anybody ever watch that girl? Anybody watch that girl's live streams or videos? She actually does have a lot of videos, like purple background and everything. I think it's Crypto Wendy is the name of her channel. As you guys answer that, I want to know if you watch her. I have to pose a question after we go through this here. And I think I got that right. If I have that wrong, let me know. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 977 points per coin. Bitcoin sitting at $51,829 right now. Green candle coming off them. That's Ethereum right there. Green candle on Bitcoin is disappeared. The green candle was on Ethereum there. Sorry about that. $51,822 on Bitcoin. The SPY sitting at $4.99. QQQ. My gosh, $4.30. Molinado sitting at $9.13. Having a nice 20% gain today. I still wouldn't touch it. I still would not touch it. I'm telling you, man. Every time Molinado has bounced... Look, you can't even see the chart. The chart doesn't even exist on Molinado. Because, dude, look at the moving average. The 200-period moving average is $420. The 200-period moving average on Molinado right now is $174. Yeah, let's go with a no thank you on that one. Sundial sitting at $149 at the close, $147 after hours. Netflix $583, Hycroft $215, MPW $356, Tesla $199, Amazon $169, and Apple $182.30. I would imagine selling off. Yes, selling off into the close. Selling off. Yep, selling off into the close here, and that's what's driving the QQQ. Selling off into the close, and of course the NASDAQ to sell off into the close there is the overwhelming weakness going into the close today. Hey bro, Discord member chat, let's check it out for rank. What does it say? Discord member chat showing $557 per month in income dividend. Man, he's got a nice breakdown. AIYY, AMDY, AMZY, APLY, Coney, Disso, or Dizzo. Is that a Disney ETF? Facebook, GUI. You got JP Morgan, Microsoft. Guys, he's got a nice portfolio out there. If you want to see Frank's distributions and Frank's breakdown of his portfolio, make sure to go check out the Discord members chat right now. Clint, random question. Would it be good to invest in the weapons manufacturers right now? Chris, quite possibly, okay? So, and I don't know if things are going to escalate, right? Nobody knows for sure if things are going to escalate. But yes, during times of war, during times of political uncertainty, you do tend to see an increase in defense stocks, okay? And in arms manufacturers, steel manufacturers, different companies like that, yes, can perform very well during times of political uncertainty. So, me personally, I'm hoping for the best. Okay, I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping all of the political uncertainty that we have during this election year, I guess, concludes in political certainty and concludes in a very peaceful situation among world leaders upon election day. So I am hoping for the best. But yeah, you could see an increase in these defense manufacturers and so on. So if you believe that that's the direction we're going, the answer would be yes. You did many times before, though. Me, somebody else. I don't even know. I really think what we really need to do is take a good look at stacks. Bitcoin will be using stacks. Bought a few days ago. Stacks will be a Bitcoin need. Well, let's take a look at stacks then, Giovanni. Also, does anybody watch Crypto Wendy or whatever? Nobody even paid attention to me asking that question. It wasn't rhetorical. Let's see. Stacks. Where are we coming with stacks? Ooh, look at Honorarium. Honorarium looking very nice there. Nice job, Honorarium. Still not listed on CoinMarketCap, though. You know what that means? That means within the next 24 hours, because they did say 24 to 48 hours, within the next 24 hours, we should see Honorarium listed on CoinMarketCap. So it is most likely to happen over the weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Very interesting timing on it. But if it happens over the weekend, keep your eyes out on it. I do think that could be good because a lot of weekend traders might be out there and scanning CoinMarketCap to see some of the newer coins that are being listed there. So if you guys are interested, definitely be refreshing and keep your eyes on the CoinMarketCap page because this is what you got to work with, dude. Down 10%, down 20%, down 50%. Oh yeah, CoinMarketCap, what's it gonna be? Up 100, 200, 500%. Yes, man, yes. Of course, I am being hopeful, but you got that to watch forward to or look forward to this weekend. I think it's this one, right? I think it's this one that you were looking at the other day. $3.6 billion market cap, man. Sitting at an all-time high right now. So I don't know if I'd be buying into the all-time high right there. But hey, if you're buying into the all-time high, I like it, Giovanni. Let's see here. This is going to sound strange, but I just drove past a cemetery and someone's having a funeral. Be thankful you're alive today. That's all I gotta say. Crap may be tough, but it could be worse. It's true. Dark bro. It is true, man. It is true. It's not going to sound weird. Stop typing or driving. Yeah, stop typing and driving or you'll be there. J-Bones looking out for safety, man. There you go. I have watched Wendy. Okay, well, in that case, since you guys know who she is, thank you very much, Giovanni, for being the only person in this entire chat that pays attention to what I'm saying and answering the questions. I watched one of her live streams for the very first time today. I've watched some clips of her videos and stuff because she does get very good engagement. And does get a lot of views on a lot of her videos. And I think she talks about XRP and stuff a lot. But, dude, today she was trying to pump XRP. And she's like, ethical approach to pumping my bags. And I get it. That's fun. She's having fun and messing around or whatever. But, dude, the strange part to me was she said that she just moved over a bunch of stables and loaded her bags in Ethereum. Okay, that's fine. I'm not going to be doing that as Ethereum is hitting recent highs and fresh highs here. Ethereum has just been performing phenomenally, but it's reaching multi-year levels of resistance, and the rally has been crazy. But she said she just transferred over into Ethereum. But the part that was strange to me was that she said, yeah, and I don't know, it was a lot of money for me. It was like 20 to 30 ETH. And I'm thinking, dude, that is a lot of money, yes, but that's also a very wide spread. How do you not know if there was a $30,000 difference in the amount of stablecoins that you swapped for Ethereum? 20 to 30 Ethereum is a very large spread. So if anybody does watch her and you know, like, is it 20 or is it 30? Because that seems like a very large spread to me. And I figured if you were messing around with somewhere between $60,000 and $90,000, you would probably know how much it was. So, yeah, I mean, if you guys do watch her on a consistent basis, let me know if that's just her personality or if maybe she really doesn't know. And she's just got so much, in stablecoin, she really doesn't know if she's got 20 or 30 Ethereum. Currently, companies are competing for the 6th generation Joint Strike Fighter under the FAXX program. Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman. Is it Grumman or Grumman? That part I don't know. Boeing, I believe, are the top contenders. Frank, man, very nice. I'm just messing with you, bro. I typed that while... Got him. J-Bo, it's coming after you, man. Meh, holiday weekend. Probably Tuesday. Dude, is it already a holiday? What is the holiday? Isn't it like something like President's Day or something? Is that what we got coming up? Dude, I can't even keep track of all these holidays we got. There's a little bit too many. I uploaded a video, I promised. Very nice, Biggable. I did that also. Remember, I told you I was loaded. I do remember that, yes. But I didn't hear from her. Giovanni, it sounded to me. I watched it because, and I didn't know, and I don't know if she does this on a consistent basis, but I ended my live stream earlier, right? And literally the moment that I ended, she started. Like, literally the moment I ended, she started. And it popped up on my recommended page. So, I'm like, there's 8 people in there. So, I jumped in. I clicked on it. I started watching. And literally got her from the beginning and watched her maybe like 3 minutes or something. And I'm like, dude, is she really not like... But I don't know. I mean, if that's her personality or whatever, she's just messing around. Which is why I wanted to know. Because clearly I don't watch her. But if... I mean, it is kind of funny if she doesn't know between the 20 and 30 ETH difference. I answered, never heard of her. Bender, which is surprising. She's got like 200,000 followers, and she actually does very good. I'll show you. She's got very good engagement, man. I mean, it's probably because she's a girl in the crypto world or whatever, but what are you going to do? Let's see. I think it's Crypto Wendy, right? Crypto Wendy O. Crypto Wendy O. Yeah, this is the one that I would have watched right here. And I don't know if I'll get in trouble for playing her videos or monetization or whatever. But yeah, if you guys want to watch this, it's literally like in the first 2 minutes or whatever that she says it. But yeah, dude, she's got a very good channel. Nope, don't play that. Not happening. But yeah, dude, live streams, great views. 2,000, man, 7,000, 4,000, 8,000, 12,000, 6,000 in her live streams there. And that's some huge engagement. The, surprisingly, the videos, I don't even know if they do as well as the lives, man. So, you know, 5,000, 1,000, 12,000, 3,000, 5,000. She does very well engagement. She's got shorts, she's got it all, man. So, she's staying busy with the content. So just in case you guys never seen her, she shows up on my feed all the time. Yes. Let's see. Frank Meg product from Northrop. Is it Grumman? Grumman, Lockheed, and Bell, and Sikorsky, the next generation air dominance fighters, and new attack helicopters. Dang it, man. Tim is a beast. Also, the everyday spy guy talked about, paraphrasing, America wants the Russia-Ukraine stuff because we are getting rid of old weapons and bringing in new and testing our shipping time. Chris, I mean, listen, stuff like that is a possibility, okay? So, I don't know if... I really don't know why there's need for war and stuff like that. And you guys may or may not agree. I don't know. I mean, Ukraine is not an ally. So I'm being dead serious when I say I do not know why we are even supporting them in the first place. And that might be a very hard thing for you to hear, especially if you're like pro-Ukraine or whatever. But, dude, there are certain rules that you need to follow. And if you're not an ally, United States can't just stick up for literally everybody. It would be no different than us sticking up for Russia. And if China went against Russia, like, you can't get involved in literally everything. So, with that being said, Chris, I do think that there are other reasons for it. Something like what you're saying there could absolutely be a reason for it. A lot of people say that money laundering is the reason for it. So when things don't make sense, there has to be some sort of a hidden agenda. And in that case, I think your guy there, the everyday spy guy, could be correct. But like I say, man, I don't know the reasoning behind all of this. I simply know that when things don't make sense, man, somebody has got a hidden agenda somewhere that will probably never be revealed. He says, the women giving crypto advice. Lucy ruined that one. Tim, man, Lucy just had a very long article in the Shib magazine about how, the world, it's so tough out there. It's so tough out there. Dude, listen, it's as tough as you make it out there, okay? It's as tough as you make it out there. If you make it hard on yourself, it's going to be hard on yourself. If you play the victim mentality, you're going to be a victim. If you go out there and you blaze your path, you are going to be just fine, right? You're going to be just fine, man. Don't play the victim in anything that you do. Otherwise, you know what's going to happen? Just listen to this. I'm pulling you in right now. I'm pulling you in. If you play the victim, you become the victim. Think about that. If you play the victim, you become the victim. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. I'm telling you right now. I don't care what part of your life it is, what aspect you are doing, whether it's crypto, whether it's finance, whether it's managing your household, whether it's your job, whatever it is, dude. You are in charge. You are the boss. You are the winner. You are the winner. What are we going to do? We're going to win. That's what we're going to do. We're not going to lose. You're not a victim. Someone got a hold of my phone. Sure. Whatever's happening right now, I didn't see it, Dark Bro. Hey, how are you? Any thoughts on Kronos chain? Thank you, man. TDF Blast. Listen, I like Crypto.com as an exchange, okay? I like Crypto.com coin. I own Crypto.com or Crypto coin, or gosh, Kronos now, but Crypto.com coin is what I call it, old school. But I own it. I like it. Is it the greatest blockchain ever? Is it going to have massive utility compared to all the other ones? No, probably not. But I do like the exchange. Yes, so miss the bull run. Don't miss the bull run, man. Don't miss it. Turn Ukraine to Hunter. And you know what, Tim? Stuff like that, it makes sense. It makes much more sense than the reasons we're given. And a lot of people know that, dude. A lot of people know that. Sure, blame it on son. Sure, it wasn't the cat or the dog. Yeah. Oh, my cat started my live stream here. Meow, meow. My cat started my live stream. That's not me. That's the cat. I don't have a dog or cat, so it must be the son. Insiders say Ethereum ETF before the halving. Giovanni, I don't know when the Ethereum ETF is going to come out, right? But I do believe an Ethereum ETF is coming. You know that. You know that I believe that. I don't know the timing, though. I wish I did, man. But unfortunately, I don't know the timing. 420. It is 421 right now. So, Biggable, sorry I missed that comment. We've all been crypto victims way too long. Moji, it's true. It's true. And you know what? Here's the funny thing. This is probably the most true thing you're going to hear today. Okay? The market, especially the crypto market, man. The market, it doesn't care if you are a man or a woman. The market doesn't care if you are black or white. The market doesn't care if you are rich or poor. The market is going to do what the market wants to do. So if you buy at the peak of a bull market, guess what's going to happen? You're going to ride down in the bear market. If you buy at the bottom of a bear market and you ride it up during the bull market, you are going to see the success. The market is cyclical in nature, and it doesn't care who you are. It is going to beat you up, and it is going to build you up. You simply have to be there for the build-up process. If you get scared along the way, if you give up along the way, if you quit along the way, if you allow it to beat you up, and then you do not allow it to build you up, you will be, and this is like, I don't care if you think it's harsh, you will be the loser in the situation. You got beat and you quit. But because markets are cyclical, because since the beginning of the nation, since stock markets and so on, and going way, way, way back before the United States ever even was thought of, markets are cyclical. Things go up, things go down. Then they go up. And over time, it is continued growth. You have to make sure that no matter how hard you get hit, you are still here to be built back up. And every single time, okay, unless the nation disappears. I mean, it is possible the United States disappears. That is, to me, that is a possibility. So, like, don't think that I'm just saying that's never going to happen. Unless the nation disappears, you are going to see overall growth. That's what you have to remember, and that's what you have to continue to tell yourself if it seems too bleak in the short term. What a support package for Ukraine is earmarked for 60 to 70 million F-16 Falcons, but they shipped the outdated 25 to 30 million variant. Who gets the extra money? Stop asking questions, Frank. You know what happens to guys like you? Guys who ask questions. Don't you? Don't ask the questions, Frank. It's an old Gen X saying, no balls, no bravos. If you want the fruit, you shake the tree. Just more proof that Shib developers live in their mom's basement. And listen, man, I don't know where the Shib developers live, but I will say this, man. They surely do like to shut down opposition and opinion. They surely do like to shut that down. Just found out that the T-Man staff is also invested in MAGA coin, but invested early. T-Man knows about the MAGA coin. Just heard today. Giovanni, man. You know what? Listen, I was getting so stinking excited about the T-coin that I was looking at earlier. T on Solana. I was getting so excited because it was like a $1.7 or $1.8 million market cap. It was, I think, like 33 points per coin. It was on its way down. I wanted to grab it at like 16, 17 to 20 points per coin to that $1 million market cap. I was $800,000 market cap away. And when you know that, somebody went in and bought like $4,000. And then it caused a few other buy orders to come through. That dumb coin jumped up. It's back down a little bit now. Dumb coin jumped up to like 7-something, 8-something, all right? And now it's coming back down as these guys go to sell. But, dude, this coin was down here earlier today. Apparently 29, dude. I saw it at, I think, 33. But, yeah, during the break, man, some people went in there with like $4,000 buys and stuff, shooting the price up. All I want to see is $1 million market cap, and I'm getting in on this one. I like what these guys are doing. This guy is active on Twitter, okay? He's got 5,000 followers, which is plenty, okay? Especially if this dude ever gets retweeted or if something viral happens during the election and so on. This one on Solana with a little market cap is still looking very good to me. The other one on Solana. Now, this is a much, much longer shot, but I want to pull the trigger on this one as well, simply for the same reasons, right? This dude has been out, and this is another MAGA coin, right? He's down 40% today. He's got a very tiny $76,000 market cap. He doesn't have near the volume or near the holders that the other one does, but kind of the same deal, okay? This guy is coming back down into this range. He's got some mad support down here. I don't know if it's going to get back down to these levels. This is extremely low. These levels I could see, but it is at some support in this area right here. But you come follow this guy. He's only got 400 followers, right? He's only got 400 followers, but he's active. If one of these guys' posts just happen to go viral, if one of these guys' posts just catch on, you know, they could be seeing a huge increase in volume as well. So these are some guys that are out there, man, that I would not mind buying into, heading into what is probably going to be the most talked about election the United States has ever seen in their entire existence. So, yeah, man, I'm playing these coins. I don't care what you guys think. I'm playing these coins this year, and they do well. Awesome. They do poorly. Well, who cares? They do poorly. We've been in the poorly for the last 2 years now. Who cares if it's just 2 more, 3 more coins that do poorly as well? But the mega coin that you're talking about, man, the one on Ethereum, or on Solana, wherever you're going to be grabbing it. Dude, I can't at $3. I can't at $3 right now. I do think that this could be a $1 billion coin, but I have to see if this one settles down a little bit before I pull the trigger on this one. At $3, to me, it's too much, man. This rally has been crazy, and I don't know if it'll ever come back down to these levels right here, but I imagine you're going to have to see some sort of a decline in this. I could be proven wrong, but I would add this in the lower areas. I can't add it as it's rising up like that. Let's see. Random Magnum XL at yes, you did, Moji. Why did I mention patiently all the equipment in Afghanistan? Overestimate the loss and launder some more money. There you go, man. There you go. You got to write it off somewhere. Honestly, one of the hardest quotes I've ever heard. When times are grim, be the Grim Reaper. Hey, you know what, Chris? And that's a mentality. It truly is. When times are tough, dude. What does it say? When times are tough, the tough get going, or how's that? Times are tough. What is it where times are tough, the tough get going, or when things are hard? I don't know. Something along those lines. But it's true, man. It's true. And tough times do fall upon everyone. Some people give up. Some people rise up. And Chris, you always got to be one of the dudes that rises up. Because every day is an opportunity for tough times to hit you. Every day is an opportunity for you to overcome those tough times. It's just the way that it is, man. Ankit Ariel, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Don't know if you're in here or not. Oh, he is in here. Ankit is in here. I was going to say, man, thank you very much. I came to the US on January of 2024. I want to start in crypto. I have just started. I bought some Shiba Inu coin. What coin do you suggest to me, man? So, Ankit, it all depends on your strategy, okay? There are literally tens of thousands of coins out there that you can invest in. And I don't know what your strategy is, right? You could be very conservative. And in that case, I would say look at some more conservative coins. Look at the larger ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. They still have huge potential for growth, but they're also much more saturated. So you're likely to see a little less, I guess, variation in the price. You're likely to see a little less volatility. If you've just come to the US, man, and you found yourself all inspired and ready to take some huge risks, then of course you could get in to smaller meme coins and so on. Now, I can't recommend any one coin, or I can't recommend any specific coin that is going to make you rich, that's just going to make you wealthy. I can only say, dude, you have to figure out what you are comfortable with and your type of investment strategy. So, for example, me, right now, the majority of my assets are in stable coins, okay? Now, I would love for an altcoin rally to begin and start moving the majority into altcoins that I already have. You know, I do have Shiba Inu coin, but picking up an XRP and Crypto.com coin and Honorarium and things like that. But moving some more capital from stables over into some altcoins because Bitcoin is doing so well. But since I know that Bitcoin is doing so well, I think that eventually when Bitcoin starts to hit all-time highs again, the mentality is going to shift into an altcoin season. People are going to be taking riskier bets, and therefore altcoins are going to be soaring 2, 3, 4, 10x in valuation as well. So that's kind of my strategy. I might be a little bit more conservative. Now, on the other hand, I am going to be taking a portion of my portfolio, and I'm going to be dedicating it to a lot of these political coins that are out there. Why? Not because I'm taking some sort of a political stand, but because I do believe that politics are going to overwhelm social media and overwhelm the news as 2024 heats up. Everybody is going to be talking about the election. Everybody is going to be picking sides, and everybody is going to be putting a lot of focus on it. So I think that these coins are going to do very well. And as you can see, man, you know, you got a coin like this, okay? This coin was down here at a stinking penny in October. That's just 3, 4, 5 months ago. It was at a penny. And now it's at $3.05. That is a 300x gain. $1,000, dude, turned into $300,000 in this coin just in the last couple of months. I think the same thing can happen with some other variations of this coin, and I think this one could grow even higher to $1 billion valuation. So I think you're going to see a lot of attention in a lot of these smaller coins this year. Manned Portable Air Defense System, MPADS. I don't know what we got, man. I want man pads for drones, yes. Then I'm broke and I'm greedy. MRAPs suck, Tim. Something I don't know what we got going on right now. Let's see. Like stingers. Was it a joke? Was it a joke? Dang. Yeah, something. I know I missed it, man. I don't know what we got going on. A champion is someone who gets up even when they can't. Franchise. I like it, man. Think about it. T-Man can't have a bill with his face on it, so the best he will have is crypto. I'm not surprised. It will not surprise me if he mentions it or promotes it, especially if his staff owns some. Yeah, if his staff owns some, I could see it. I could definitely see that. But dude, if he mentions it anywhere, okay, it's like his NFT. He had an NFT a while ago, man, and people are making some serious money on those NFTs as well. But dude, even if he mentions this one, right, people are going to jump on the Solana one. They're going to jump on another one. The same way that when Ethereum was running higher, you saw Ethereum Classic ripping higher because people were buying the different one. They don't always choose the correct one. And dude, you know, could you imagine? Could you just imagine? Oh, yeah, you got to get that MAGA coin, right? You got to get that MAGA coin because it's ripping higher in valuation. People come on here, they say, oh, MAGA. Okay, well, this one's at $3, but I'm just going to grab this one because it's on the Solana network and it's cheaper in price. And then they come out here and they grab this one. And this one rips up 1,000x in value. I do think that these are possibilities that you could see happen there. People have been known to make mistakes in the past, and I think that they can continue to make mistakes into the future. And I like the fact that this kid, even though he's only got 400 followers on X, this kid is still very active and so on. So keep all of these little coins in mind, man. Even, where is it? Where is it, man? Come on. Dark Bros coin honorarium. Currently sitting in a very nice 1531 points per coin. Very nice honorarium. If it does that $3 to $20 low supply, agreed. Nigef, good afternoon to you, man. My grandma always told me there's no shame in getting knocked down. It comes when you refuse to get back up. Dang it, man. Your grandma was pretty sweet. Grandma was pretty sweet, Tim. I like it. It's 5. Nah, it's 4:34. So ad time. Chris, did you not get hit with an ad? Chris, you should have gotten hit with an automatic ad at like 4:25. Ads automator is on, so it should have hit you. I don't have that kind of money to buy stable coins. I'm here as a student. I am looking for investment type coin, probably at least 5 to 10 years. What do you think about Stellar Lumens in the long run? So, okay, on Keat, coins like Stellar Lumen, coins like Ripple's XRP, I do believe that these are better investments, okay? So instead of going out and buying some sort of a meme coin where you've got a lot of money to risk and you don't really care if you lose it and so on, Stellar Lumens, XRP, I believe as these companies grow and as the need for international finance and international blockchain transactions grow, those coins are going to be doing very well. I got something in my throat. So on Keat, I actually do believe that that is a decent investment choice. Now, clearly, like every company faces risks. Stellar Lumens faces risks. Ripple's XRP faces risks. So nothing is guaranteed. But I do believe that that's probably something safer than, say, or a better investment than Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin or, you know, Pepe or one of these smaller meme coins like these T coins that we got on the screen and so on. I think it's probably a better investment because they're actually doing something that has, one, real world utility, but two, it's an actual business, man, that generates income. I was waiting for T to go down to the 150 and it went up. The low supply makes me believe it won't really drop much. Plus, like I said, his staff owns it. So if his staff does own it, man, I truly think that, you know, it might not go back down that far. I haven't seen that his staff owns it, but yeah, I was waiting for it to drop back down to, I don't know if it will. I still am cautious and skeptical about the crypto market in March. I think that the overall economy is going to hit something that the overall economy kind of is going to fall from with the dollar liquidity issues that could arise in March. So because of that, I still am holding a little bit more of a cautious approach. But dude, if we get through March and things are continuing to increase, I don't know how much longer I can be patient. Honorarium. Boom, baby. Emoji. No, just wanted to make everyone get one. I know I missed something. Oh, get an ad. Nice, man. I got one at the beginning. Didn't get one because I'm that dog. Boom, baby. YouTube knows you're not buying nothing, Chris, so they didn't hit you with another ad there. You'll pee on an electric fence. What does that do? Will that shock you? Heck, if you're looking at financial type coins that are cheap, look at, hey, Tim, yeah, Tectonic is very cheap and one that we have not looked at in quite some time. So let's take a look at Tectonic really quick. Tectonic's still at 13 points per coin, man. It's been in this range for a while now, bouncing back and forth between 12 and 20 points per coin over the entire year here. And all-time graph still very, very, very low in price. You zoom in here and you can see this area that it's currently in, this 11, 12, maybe all the way down to the 10. It is a very strong level of support. It has bounced off of it, bounced off of it, bounced off of it, bounced. Well, this is a longer-term bounce. Bounced off of it, but it's unable to break through this 20-point per coin range. Okay? Taps it, falls back down, comes up, taps it, falls back down, briefly rises above it, falls back down, comes up, taps it, falls back down. So I don't know if you guys are interested in trading it or not, but Tonic does have a longer term level of support and resistance in that 10 to 20 point per coin range there. I don't know why, but I'm super excited about Honorarium coming to Coin Market Cap. Hey, Bigable, me too, man. Me too, for several reasons. Number one, I do anticipate that it could have an effect on the overall volume, that more people can see Honorarium and begin trading there. Number two, because it's a milestone, man. And you know, not only Dark Bro, Suzuki, I'm sure, has a huge part in this, but taking this coin from literally nothing and building it up to well over a $150,000 market cap and potentially well beyond that is absolutely incredible. So I think it's a testament to Dark Bro and Suzuki and everybody else. It's Honorarium Schiller and everybody else in here that is really supporting Honorarium. It's a testament to what you guys are capable of doing. So I think that's awesome. Number 3, dude. I want to see the price rise, and I do hope that it makes the price rise. Coin market cap on banker hours. It's gonna be Tuesday now, dude. If coin market cap is on banker hours, that is a possibility. But I have seen them list coins on the weekend. So if they list coins on the weekend, we could still get it. Let's see. I just checked too. I'll just check coin market cap. Nothing yet. Yeah, we can check too. Cryptocurrencies recently added. Actually, nothing's been added like all day today. 13 hours ago is the last thing you've seen here. And Sora was added 13 hours ago. That's all they got, man. And ooh, it's going to be nice when you see down 20, down 25, down 48, down 7, or up 17, but down on the hour, down 14, down 0.01, down 3, down 26, and then Honorarium gets listed. No, here. Honorarium gets listed. Boom, baby. Up 13%. It's modest. It's room for improvement. Let's get started. I like it, man. Let's see here. Giovanni, T-Man won't be doing a lot. He has criminal trial in New York City, which has to be present for 8. And even if he is, it seems to turn into some very good publicity for him along the way. What is the chance that Shiba Inu deletes another zero from its price in this bull run after the Bitcoin halving? So, Unkeep, that's nearly impossible for me to say, right? What are the chances? Good, bad, 20% chance, 10% chance, and so on. I will say this. If Bitcoin is hitting an all-time high, and like market sentiment is at an all-time high, once we start to see that transition from Bitcoin saturation over into an altcoin market and like the altcoin bull market, the altcoin rally, then I think that we can start seeing some all-time highs in altcoin season. And will Shiba Inu coin hit an all-time high? I think it's an absolute possibility. I think that Shiba Inu coin has a long way to go to hit an all-time high, and tens of billions of dollars in market cap to raise to hit that all-time high. But as long as the ecosystem team doesn't ruin it, and as long as the Shiba Inu coin investors are committed to holding, I think the chances are fairly good during the peak of a bull market that Shiba Inu coin rises. If the ecosystem team ruins it, or if the Shiba Inu coin community gives up, I'd say the chances are very bad. Okay, so apparently I had to confirm the payment through the email they sent me this morning. Somehow I missed it. Just did that, so we should be good to go. Honorarium. Nice, dude. And Honorarium leaving us all hanging. Oh, my goodness. Leaving us all hanging here. So, yes, let's now get started. I hope so, Dark Bro, man. I hope so, Dark Bro. And if everything's good, I gotta plug this in. Hopefully everything does look good, and maybe now we start the 24 to 48 hour clock. Maybe. Hopefully now we start the 24 to 48 hour clock. Not yet. That's the DEX on-chain data version. There you go. Official listing hasn't happened yet. What's your view on XEC? HM. I don't know what XEC is. eCash. eCash, huh? A $668 million market cap. Bitcoin Cash ABC is rebranded to eCash. Huh. I mean, they got 10x opportunities here to get back up to those bull market 2021 highs. Almost all the coins are in circulation, which is great to see. But for being such a large coin, I don't really know what these guys are doing or what they're about, or ever hear anybody talking about them. So this could be one of those silent gainers that just over time it starts to rip higher. But I really don't, I don't have an opinion. I think the graph has a lot of potential, but I don't really have an opinion on what they're doing or anything like that. So sorry about that, man. Let's see. So they actually sent me a message to confirm the payment for the invoice using the transaction hash. I just sent the response. What's the difference, Chris, between the listing and the next thing? Well, the only difference is CoinMarketCap has their own information versus CoinMarketCap pulling from DEX tools. That's really the only difference. Let's see. Plus, Fanny got busted for sleeping with the prosecutor. No trial for the team, man. More time for rallies. I do hope that we have more time for rallies all year long, man. All year long. BNB's about to crack 360. BNB, dude, everything is doing very well. But let's see where BNB's at today. I haven't looked at this chart in a while. 359, man, $53 billion for Binance coin here. About to crack 360. He is right on that. It's tested it several times over the last week here. Over the last month. Testing. The yearly highs, man. And, of course, all-time highs in this huge range up here. Would you please take a moment to look at the lows back in 2017 when BNB was trading at, what is this, man? 10 cents? 9 cents? Dude, could you imagine riding it from 9 cents to $642 per coin? Oh my gosh, man. 149 million BNB outstanding. What do we got outstanding on Chronos? Okay, so 25 billion outstanding on Chronos. Huge difference there. But man, you get 25x increase before Chronos gets to the same size as Binance. KuCoin, man. KuCoin sitting in $1 billion market cap. KuCoin could literally see a 50x increase before you get to the same size as Binance. And wouldn't you have loved to have gotten into KuCoin at 30 cents and watched it rip during the 2021 bull market there up to $30? Oh my goodness, a 100x increase. Absolutely insane, man. So I think that when these bull markets happen is when you see the major gains in the crypto exchange coins. Let's see. There's like a dark bro. Will wallets show price after that? Yes, J-Bones. Oh, well, and they should, J-Bones, because after that, all of these wallets you see, like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and so on, they pull their data from CoinMarketCap, and that's why you see the glitches sometimes. So yeah, the wallet should show dollar balances and not just your coin balance after it's listed on CoinMarketCap. Dark Bro sleeping in the email wheel. Yeah. Dark Bro sleeping in the email wheel, man. We could have been listed already, but he comes out there and says, I forgot to send him an email there. Can we hit 1 cent with Luke? RW7610. 1 cent with Terra Luna Classic is going to take you back to all-time high market caps. So either embrace it as a meme or restore the chain, and yes, you can hit 1 cent on Terra Luna Classic. Definitely not going to be easy, though. Timmy! Thank you very much for this super chat. Tim, man, absolutely appreciate you throwing that green name out there. Ocean Cycle. Grabbing that green name. Ocean Cycle. If you're in the chat right now, please say thank you to Tim for throwing that green name out there. I was kind of hoping Keat got the green name because he's been very active today. But Ocean Cycle, if you're out there, please say thank you to Tim. If not, Tim, thank you very much for throwing that green name and making sure everybody except HM, RW7610, and Keat have green names today. Status has moved to awaiting verification. Very nice. Status moved already. Very good. Honorarium. I like it, man. Just throw out T-Man for mean tweets. For being man, I refused the cognitive exam, and then we'll have a real election. Hey, Frank, man, I just like how you guys are saying T-Man and B-Man. All right, obviously we know who T-Man and B-Man are. YouTube doesn't know who T-Man and B-Man are, so we're good to go. We're good to go with that. I like you guys calling them T-Man and B-Man, keeping the channel safe, dude, because I truly feel like YouTube could just go overlord mode and say, forget about it, you're talking politics and we don't like it. And I don't want that to happen. Okay, I know we've all got our opinions, but I also don't want that to happen. So T-Man and B-Man might sound childish, but I thank you guys for saying T-Man and B-Man. I just hope All My Cry bought at 5 cents makes it to $1. Dang. Franchise, you did good at that 5 cent mark, man. You did great at that 5 cent mark. If they sent it like normal, I would have seen it. Good. BBC, even CNN said she's done. Spent taxpayer money also. Dang, I figured Roulette Wheel wasn't here. They might get it. Now, that would be pretty funny, Tim. That'd be pretty funny if Roulette Wheel accidentally got a green name. Or if you scared Roulette Wheel. If somebody changed their name to Roulette Wheel and grabbed that green name, and Roulette Wheel's like, oh, crap, dude, how did I get this green name? No! Yeah, that would be pretty funny as well. Can we still do everything through PancakeSwap after the listing? Yes. In fact, Frank, I think you're still going to have to do everything through PancakeSwap after the listing. So the CoinMarketCap listing literally just displays the data on CoinMarketCap. It doesn't allow you to buy it on CoinMarketCap. It doesn't open up a liquidity pool somewhere else other than PancakeSwap. So you're still going to have to do everything through PancakeSwap after it is listed on CoinMarketCap. But you're going to be able to see it. The same way you can see KuCoin right here, listed on CoinMarketCap, is the same way you'll be able to see Honorarium, listed on CoinMarketCap. But right here, you know what? I don't know another coin that is only listed on PancakeSwap. But like you see, okay, KuCoin, only listed on KuCoin down here. The price of KuCoin is being pulled from all of these prices down here. And that's what's being showed in your Trust Wallet, your MetaMask, and so on. It'll simply say Honorarium against BNB down here as the only exchange where you can buy Honorarium. And then, of course, it'll show you the 24-hour volume, the price action, and so on down here in exchanges. So, yeah, everything's still going to be through PancakeSwap, man. It's just that you're going to be able to see all of this data here as opposed to just pulling directly from DEX tools right now. This page has been created automatically using on-chain data and contains unverified information. Please do your own research. It's not going to have this warning on it anymore, and it's going to look like the normal CoinMarketCap page that you see right there. This is literally just pulling straight from DEX tools and then posting and I don't know if it's pulling straight from DEX tools, right? But it's pulling straight from somewhere and displaying it the exact same way that DEX tools shows this information. So that will be the difference there. And we will know, we should know as soon as it shows up here on this page. Now, I don't know if a lot of this volume is coming because of CoinMarketCap or not, but literally some of the lowest projects over the last couple of days are doing $20,000, $50,000, $70,000 in volume. The littler guys down here, Super Doge, okay? Wow, dude, Super Doge literally sitting at a $4,000 market cap. This is probably rugged. I don't know why it does that. Let's see if Super Doge rugged. Show enough. Super Doge seeming to have rug pulled here, going from 2 cents to 0.0045, down 50% over the last 24 hours here, and down about 100% from where it was a couple of days ago. Super Doge seems to have listed on CoinMarketCap and then rugged afterwards, which to me is nuts, dude. I mean, why do that? If they paid $5,000 for the listing, how much money do they have in the liquidity pool here that they got to go out there and rug these guys? You know what I mean? Like 10x gain from here takes you up to 4 cents. I don't know. That next game, 50 grand. Like, I guess they walked away with a profit after getting it listed on CoinMarketCap, but just doesn't make any sense to me that they could just make so much more money having a legitimate coin. Let's see. I worked as an intern for 3 summers in Syracuse, New York, from 17 to 20, and that is all. And that is all that can happen. I know I missed something, guys. Sorry about it. Click buy mag coin before it explodes. Giovanni, are you talking about the $3 one, or are you talking about that one that it has a $70,000 market cap? I can't buy it at $3, man. I can't. Buying it at $3 would be the equivalent of me buying Celestia right now at $20 a coin. It would hurt. $18 a coin, man. It would hurt for me to go in there and buy it at an all-time high. Walmart's bingo. Anyone play? I don't even know how to play Walmart bingo, man. There's no jack in crypto. There is no jack in crypto. I had a visitor momentarily. We check out Pal. We have not checked out Pal Bender. Let's check it out. Made it. Finished my audit. Time to relax. JB, man. Time to enjoy the weekend. JB, they don't have you working on weekends or anything crazy, do they? It's time for you to enjoy the weekend, man. Pal AI. Golly, boom, dude, a 28% gain today. Pal AI does nothing but continue moving higher. Going from 21 cents this morning all the way up to 28 cents. Pal AI on a straight move higher. Literally going from Shiba Inu coin prices, 4 zeros and a 4, to 28 cents. Dude, that is nuts. To me, that is nuts, man. 4 zeros and a 4 to 28 cents. The $3 one. Giovanni says, grab the $3 one. Dude, I can't do it. I want to, but I can't do it. I can't grab it at 3. I just can't, man. I can't. The other thing this Cruise team mentioned, $350 million judgment. He can't appeal without putting up the whole amount as a bond. He also has to do the same with an $83 million verdict. Doesn't have the liquid cash to do it. Well, we'll find out. We'll find out. Either way, I mean, the coins are still looking good to me. The coins are still looking good. Let's go on through to get honorarium listed on CoinMarketCap. I don't understand why those people would do that. Yeah, honorarium, man. I really don't understand it either. My best guess is that their only intentions are to turn a profit. Right? If they spend $5,000 on something like Super Doge to get it listed, or this one, BNB AI Bestico. No, AI Albestico. I don't know where people come up with these names, man. Down 70% today. This one here, dude, down 96% today. Holy smokes. Why does it always take so long to do that? Look at this one, man. They get listed on CoinMarketCap and then boom, essentially rug everybody. Going from 18 cents to 0.007. We'll go 5-minute chart here, and it's probably just a straight cliff. Yeah. I mean, look. This coin's getting, like, no volume. Now, let's go hour chart. Maybe a little easier to work with. Dude, listed on CoinMarketCap, right? Starts to rip up $71,000 in volume. $41,000 in volume this hour. And then somebody goes out there and sells $89,000 in this hour. And essentially rugs everybody. And this could be, I don't know. This could be CoinMarketCap volume. It gets listed on CoinMarketCap, and it may have found $78,000 in volume here. And maybe the creators just came in and bought $600 worth. Somebody bought $10,000 worth, $1,300 worth, and then got listed on CoinMarketCap. boom, begins to see some crazy volume, 70,000, people getting excited, starts to rip up 40,000, and then rip, dude. The team that bought $10,000 worth back here dumps it off and takes all this money. I mean, that would be my best guess. From these levels, man, it's not going to do anything from these levels down here. 844 holders. My best guess, dude, is all of his volume came from CoinMarketCap, and then those dudes dumped off on him. So, I mean, they made what? 80 grand? $89,000 sale coming in there. Those dudes probably made $89,000. They were happy to pay $5,000 to get listed on CoinMarketCap because they ripped a bunch of people's money. Just realized it's Friday. Pudgy, it is Friday, man. It is Friday. Great show today, Clay. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Do it. How much they rugged for sure? It was more. Well, on this one, they rugged 89,000, right? On that one, they rugged 89,000 right there. But yeah, they're probably just all ready to pay for their listing, get as much marketing exposure as possible, and then rug it. 90 grand. From an ethical standpoint, no, never. But if I could trade 5 grand for 90 grand, I would do it 1,000,000 times a day, right? Anybody would. If you could trade 5 grand for 90 grand, every single opportunity, do it as much as possible. But not if it means taking that money from somebody else. Guys, it is 5:03. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this evening with videos. Please, please, please watch them. Video views are down big over the last month, but it's all right. We continue to be here every day. We continue to have a great time, and we're going to continue watching and waiting for Honorarium to be listed on CoinMarketCap all weekend long. We'll do some shout-outs, man, and then I hope each and every one of you do have an awesome weekend. Pudgy, man, see you later. J-Bones, enjoy your afternoon. Enjoy your weekend, man. Moji, see you. Frank JB, thanks for being in here, man. J-Bones, Biggable Coke, see ya. We got Pudgy, Biggable, Giovanni, Gorilla, Honorarium, Moji, Bender, Vu Lee. What's going on, Vu Lee? Glad to have you. Yes, I used to watch. Good. Biggable Coke, see you later. Johnny Quest, see you later. Moji, have a great one. Richard, see you later. Later to you, Back to the Future. J Bones, enjoy it. Biggable, see you later. Timmy, we're gonna be watching for Honorarium to be listed on CoinMarketCap like. Throwing that popcorn all over the place. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Giovanni knows what time it is. Back to the Future. Moji, all of you guys, you know what time it is. And Moji is right, man. No market, no live stream. Till the next time. Hope to each. Pudgy. Nope. Oh, I thought we were leaving, man. Nope. Oh, I thought we were leaving, man. Nope. Pudgy says we are not leaving just yet. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. HM, man, thank you for your time as well, man. Appreciate all. Seriously, I appreciate all of you guys watching. You know that I do. It is a huge support. Honorarium, enjoy your afternoon. Pudgy, man, enjoy your weekend. Tim, see you later. Honorarium, all of you guys. You know what you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. I thought we were done. Pudgy trying to kill me, man. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Timmy! Tim says crypto trades 24/7. Forget the market. Crypto does trade 24/7. Crypto will kill you if you're watching 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. J-Boone says, let's get ourselves a superhero super chat into a super weekend. J-Bo! Oh, Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. Tim, Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. JB, man, see you later. Shout out to you, Moji. Have a great one. Pudgy, thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. J-Bones, thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. Moji! Oh, gosh. That one is... Oh, God, Pudgy. That one is not easy to do when you're already lightheaded. I'm better now. Pudgy, thank you very much, man. Bigable, have a great weekend. Tim, see you later. J-Bones with a super chat. JB, man, see you later. Moji, Pudgy, J-Bones, Bender, Moji, Pudgy, Lonnie. Oh, Tim. Oh, Tim, why do you have to scare me like that? Tim, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh, Pudgy. Oh, Pudgy, man. Pudgy, you guys are gonna get me, man. My cat probably is sitting right outside the door right now, thinking that I'm having a seizure or something. Thank you guys very much for the super chat. Shout out to Pudgy, Bigable, Tim, J-Bones, baby, JB, Moji, Pudgy, J-Bones, Bender, Moji, Pudgy, Lonnie, Tim, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. J-Bones coming in with a 32-month. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the King Turkey. Tim says, you pour the salt out on the table, you throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck, and because it tastes so good. And every time it gets in your eyes. Tim, man, thank you very much. Pudgy saying, nope, I don't think so. Nope, I don't think so. Nope, I don't think so. Pudgy, man, thank you very much. And Tim, man, Tim is definitely saying one superhero super chat was not enough. We need two move this way, yes. We need two superhero super chats. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. JB got the unicorn horn coming in the chat right now. JB saying, let's see some of that good old-fashioned... Oh, that's actually a really nice one, man. Good old-fashioned King Unicorn. JB, man, thank you very much for the King Unicorn. J-Bones, I see you, J-Bones. Thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you, J-Bones, I see you. Thank you for the mustache. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Moji, thank you very much for trying to kill me. Oh, I made it, man. Oh, I made it. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Moji, this is apparently only your 10th super chat on a live stream. YouTube, I don't believe your statistics. Tim says, nope, we are not leaving. Oh. Nope, we are not leaving. Oh. Nope, we are not leaving. In fact, we are going to 10 and 1 live. I don't know if it's 10 and 1 live, man. Is it 10 and 1 live? I don't even think it's been 10 and 1 live. I don't know what's going on anymore, man. I don't know what's going on. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for also trying to kill me. Here's one of these days, I know I'm going to just collapse. One of these days, I'm going to collapse. Oh, Tim, an old classic. Tim throwing out Clay Bros Peach right there. I love it, man. J Bones with a fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Bump, baby. J Bones with a fist bump. Fist bump city, man. J Bones, thank you very much for all of the fist bumps. Stephanie, what is going on, Stephanie? How are you? He almost dropped. You almost got me, Pudgy, but you're not going to get me that easy. Man, this is the first time Stephanie has been in the chat in a very long time. Stephanie, how are you? Timmy! Tim says you take the hot dog, you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever the dip is, you dip it. And then in one bite, you eat that hot dog right away. Tim, man, thank you very much. Oi. E aí, Stephanie? Como você tá? How are you, Stephanie? We got Moji with the super chat. Tim, thank you very much. Pudgy, thank you very much. JB, Tim, Pudgy, J-Bones, Stephanie, Pudgy, Tim, Pudgy, Moji, Stephanie, Pudgy, all of you guys. Thank you very much for everything. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. J-Bones might be viewing an ad thinking he got clicked or clucked right now, but he didn't. Oh, J-Bones, man. I thought I was getting away. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm actually starting to sweat a little bit, man. I might have to take this hoodie off if we continue this on right here. J-Bones thought he got clicked, but he didn't get clicked. Ladies and gentlemen, J-Bones is still here. Moji says, pour the salt out on the table and throw it over your shoulder. And because the salt tastes so good, Moji, every single time. Moji, man, thank you very much for the salt shaker. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. Hopefully J-Bones is still in here and didn't get mad and thinking that everything was over there. How we still here, though? I have no idea. Moji, man, probably came in. Probably left already. Who knows what's going on? Stephanie, are you still in here? We've got J-Bones, Moji, Michael, Moji, Bender, Moji, JB, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.